our ice bin and bottles holder. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 24 inches. Depth of 23 inches. 23 inches applies with the rail towards the back of the ice bin. Without the rail, we have a depth of 18.5 inches. Height will be 32.5 inches tall. Minus backsplash, we have a height of 29.5 inches. Included will be 2 bottle holders. The measurements for each one will include 6 inches in length, 15 3/4 inches in depth, by 5 inches in height. Interior dimensions for the ice bin, we have 22 inches in length, 15 inches in depth, but 12.5 inches in height. Height of the rail, we have 6.5 inches tall. Depth of the rail only, 4.5 inches. Coming to the bottom of the ice bin will be a drain. And on the top left corner will be the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.